Welcome to Hamilton Aluminum Railing Systems, the world of trendy custom railings. Aluminum balcony railings and porch railings installation with black spindles in Burlington. For more useful information on custom railings and columns, visit us at www.hamiltonrailings.ca.